Hi, welcome to Heider. My name is Mariska. Come, let me show you my room. When you walk in, there's a closet here. If we go this way, this is our bathroom. So our bathroom has one sink that me and my roommate share, a medicine cabinet, as well as a lot of storage, and we have a bathtub that comes with a shower. So coming over to my room, I live with one other roommate, so everything that is wood came with the room. We each have a dresser, we each have our own bed, and then we have another dresser that we have underneath here. Under my bed, personally, I like to use it for extra storage. So I have like an extra cart here, my laundry bag. Over here, we have a shared closet space. I'll open one side for y'all. So like, I just like to put like all my nicer sweaters and jackets in here, as well as like a shelf that comes up top. This is our living room. The chair and the couch, as well as the coffee table, came with the room, but we decided to add a little bit more decor by adding a table runner. And my roommate brought her piano and a lamp. This is actually a TV stand that I turned into a shoe rack. The kitchen is probably where I spend the most time. It does come with a recycling bin, but the trash can we did have to provide. And then I also brought this cart. Again, I just got it from Target. It was easy for me to just add more storage. One thing that's great about Heider is it comes with a full-size fridge instead of the mini fridges in the freshman dorm. And we also have a full-size stove with an oven. So that's also pretty cool. We did bring our own drying rack. There is no dishwasher in Heider. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for visiting, everybody. Hope to see you on campus soon.